Paul Portman with WP Equipment Service. Here today on a ranch. Cool morning. We're going to go ahead and put a clutch, in this case IH Farmall 40. Just to make life easier when you're splitting these tractors, we found that probably leaving that loader on helps you teeter that front end. A lot of people like to take them off and you're messing with two chunks, but we'll leave that front end stationary. Of course, got to go in here, replace or disconnect all these hydraulics that go to the loader, remove that lower subframe bracket. I've dropped his power 3-point grader scraper here. We'll leave the top on, leave as much on as we can. We're just going to split this thing, replace the clutch, and put her back together. I'll take some pictures along the way, try to explain what I'm doing to everybody, and we'll get her done. Quick note on replacing your throwout bearing, you do have to replace or remove this plate, your spline plate. No big deal. Be sure and do that. Don't cheat your customer. It's easy to bypass this step. Anyway, I'll show you the clutch while I'm here. Here's our old clutch. You can see it's just blown apart on the friction side, or on the drive side of the clutch. Flywheel side in good shape, which is good news for us. The flywheel doesn't look like it needs to be machined down. Heavily grooved out. Of course, here's your new one, new clutch. So let me get it in there and be back with you. Got the new clutch installed, new friction disc, new throwout or needle bearing. We did do the throwout bearing as well. Can't see it back there, but be mindful of the little return spring that connects to that. But that's all new. Splines are clean. Everything's blown out, clean as we can get it without a pressure washer. But anyway, we will put her back together. Always use your clutch, your friction disc alignment tool to line that up. In other words, you're going to have a heck of a time getting stabbed. Anyway, that's where we're at. I'm gonna get this thing back up off this jack stand, get it level, and bring it in and get them together.